Hey everyone, today I want to introduce you to an awesome book, How to Draw Manga, Basics and Beyond, by Ryo Katagiri, Hiroyuki Sengoku, and Yukio Onishi. If you love drawing manga or want to improve your skills, this book is one of a great guide. This book is packed with useful lessons on manga-style art. It covers everything from drawing, basic figures and facial expressions to more advanced techniques, like perspective, panel layout, and even action poses. What I like about this book is how it breaks things down step by step. It doesn't just tell you to draw better, it actually explains how to do it, with easy-to-follow examples. Whether you're a beginner or someone with experience, looking to refine your art, there's something here for you. The instructions are clear, and the visuals make it easy to understand. If you're serious about improving your manga art, I definitely recommend checking out How to Draw Manga, Basics and Beyond. Let me know in the comments if you read it or if you have any favorite art books. That's it for today. I hope this video helped you about this book. Thanks for watching and keep drawing. See you next time.